Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Google Pay how to remove card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to remove a card from Google Pay, what you need to do is first simply head over and open up your Google Pay on your Android phone. Then make sure you're signed into your right Google account. Then once logged in, what you need to do is head over to the payment section. Simply tap on your profile picture or account icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then inside from the options, select wallet or payment methods. Then once you're inside there, what you do is select the card you want to remove by simply tapping on the card's name or image. Then once done, simply tap on the more menu or the three dot icon on the top right of that selected card and then choose remove payment method or remove. Then once prompted, simply follow the prompt to delete it from Google Pay. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you had, and see you soon on the next one.